As the presidential race intensifies, more aspirants are coming forward with declarations of interest. One such new face is Dr. Byamukama Henry Mutabazi from the Sustainable Progress Group. He publicly announced his intention to contest in the 2026 general elections, bringing with him a unique blend of pastoral leadership, entrepreneurial sight, and civic engagement.
One, to consult about the future of Uganda. And number two, this is a proposition for the Sustainable Progress Group. And then number three, we are declaring our interests in the 2026 presidency. So that is basically why we are here.
Dr. Mutabazi highlighted key pillars of his manifesto. Top among them is the digitization of Uganda's economy, which he sees as a vital tool in modernizing public services, improving transparency, and combating corruption.
Of the things we have observed that can propel this nation to the next level, number one is, which is going to be very much of our priority, and which is very much within our ability, is a digital economy, especially in governance. One of the issues we have in Uganda, we all agree, is mismanagement. Now, with the digitalization, you have an accountability of public funds. We envisage a future, we envisage a scenario where Uganda can be completely corruption-free. We want to digitalize to empower. That's the difference.
He also emphasized branding and marketing Uganda's agricultural products as a pathway to increasing export value and empowering rural communities.
When we market Uganda, we show kids who are naked, who are in mud, because we want the massive donation. We want to go, but what say? If we package what Uganda has, one of the solutions, market is not a problem. If we package and marketed what we have, of course the market would be enough. So that's one solution for agriculture, is market.